Most important MD-CAD chemistry MCQs on unit industrial chemistry. First MCQs: which catalyst is commonly used in the Haber process for ammonia synthesis? Vanadium pentoxide, iron with promoters, nickel, platinum. So correct option B, iron with promoters. Next MCQs: the contact process is used for the industrial production of nitric acid, sulfuric acid, ammonia, ethanol. So contact process is used for the production of sulfuric acid. Next MCQs: what is the primary function of a desiccant in a refrigeration system? To cool the refrigerant, to absorb moisture from the refrigerant, to lubricate the compressor, to detect leaks. So correct option B, to absorb moisture from refrigerant. MCQs number 4 है, in the Ostwald process which gas is oxidized to produce nitric acid? Nitrogen dioxide, ammonia, nitrous oxide. So correct option C, ammonia. So ammonia will be reduced to form nitric acid. Next MCQs. The main component of natural gas is ethane, propane, methane, butane. So correct option C, methane. About 85% natural gas is composed of methane. Next MCQs. Which compound is a common antioxidant added to foods and cosmetics? Sodium benzoate, butylated hydroxytoluene, sodium lauryl sulfate, glycerine. So correct option B, butylated hydroxytoluene, mean BHT. Next MCQs. What is the primary role of a builder in a detergent formulation? To provide color, to enhance fragrance, to soften water and improve cleaning efficiency, to create suds. So correct option C, to soften water and improve cleaning efficiency. Next MCQs. The process of cracking in petroleum refining is used to remove sulfur impurities, convert heavy hydrocarbon into lateral, more useful ones, polymerize alkenes into plastics, extract natural gas. So correct option B, convert heavy hydrocarbon into lateral, more useful ones. Being जितना यानी कि अगर कार्बन 15 है, 15 कार्बन है तो उसको कार्बन 5 ऐसे स्मॉल कार्बन्स में चेंज करना. नेक्स्ट है MCQs. Which polymer is used to make non-stick cookware? Polyvinyl chloride, PVC, polytetrafluoroethylene, polyethylene terephthalate. So correct option B, polytetrafluoroethylene. Next MCQs. In the Bayer process, the primary ore is processed is iron ore, hematite, bauxite, aluminum ore, copper pyrites, zinc blende. So correct option B, bauxite. इन बेयर प्रोसेस बॉक्साइट जो हमारे पास है वो प्रोसेस्ड होता है. नेक्स्ट, हाइड्रोजनेशन ऑफ वेजिटेबल आई टू प्रोड्यूस मार्गरीन यूजेस विच कैटलिस्ट. सो हाइड्रोजनेशन में हमारे पास निकल, वेनेडियम पेंटॉक्साइड, आयरन, कोबाल्ट. सो मोस्टली हाइड्रोजनेशन में हमारे पास निकल यूज़ होता है और टेम्परेचर होता है हाइड्रोजनेशन में 250 to 300 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. Next MCQs. The chemical name for caustic soda, a key industrial chemical. Sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydroxide, calcium oxide. So caustic soda is another name of sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Next MCQs. Which industry primarily uses the Solvay process? जो फर्टिलाइजर इंडस्ट्री, पेपर एंड पल्प इंडस्ट्री, Production of sodium carbonate, pharmaceutical industry. So correct option C, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ सोडियम कार्बोनेट जो है प्राइमरीली जो साल्वे प्रोसेस यूज़ करती है। नेक्स्ट है MCQs। द प्राइमरी पर्पज ऑफ vulcanization of rubber is to make it more elastic, improve its strength and elasticity by forming cross links, change its color, make it biodegradable. So correct option B, improve its strength and elasticity by forming cross links. Last MCQs. Which gas is typically used as refrigerant in modern domestic refrigerators? Ammonia, chlorofluorocarbons, hydrofluorocarbons like R134A, carbon dioxide. So correct option C, hydrofluorocarbon like R134A.